Installing Tando architectural sills and sill corners is easy. Just follow these simple steps. Before installing Tando architectural sill and sill corners, install the TandoStone panels on the lower section of the wall up to the desired height and as specified in TandoStone installation guide. Now, you're ready to begin installing Tando architectural sill. But note that you will always install sill corners, end caps, and inside corner pieces on the wall before installing any Tando architectural sill pieces. For outside corners, install the sill corner so the top of its nailing flange is 2 7/8 inch above the top of the nailing flange of the full TandoStone panel. If the TandoStone panel and corner nailing flange have been cut and removed, then install the sill corner so the top of the nailing flange is 2.5 inches above the TandoStone panel and corner. If necessary, trim underside of the Tando architectural sill corner to provide clearance between the corner and the wall surface. Make sure the sill corner is level and nail one fastener into installation holes located on each side of sill corner. To make an inside corner, cut the ends of 2 Tando architectural sill pieces each at 45-degree angles. These 2 cut pieces will form your inside corner when placed together. Now, fasten the 2 pieces of cut Tando architectural sill to the wall, ensuring the mitered cut ends meet together and are flush. Apply sealant over joint if needed. To create a finished end cap, cut the rear portion of a sill corner flush with the adjacent side to form an end cap. Nail the end cap to the end of your wall, making sure it is level, and install above the panel with the same spacing requirements as an outside sill corner. Now that all your corners are completed, you're ready to install the Tando architectural sill pieces. Before beginning Tando architectural sill installation, plan your entire layout. Measure the full piece of the wall between sill corners, inside corner pieces, or end caps, and divide by 30 inches. To determine how many Tando architectural sill pieces you will need. Spread the cut of the first and last Tando architectural sill pieces to have equal lengths of ledge on the wall. Always cut Tando architectural sill from the left side. Remove any feature on the inside of the cut piece that may obstruct insertion of the adjacent Tando architectural sill piece. Install the first Tando architectural sill piece previously cut into the sill corner, end cap, or inside corner piece and nail in place while making sure to keep it straight and level, and always install Tando architectural sill pieces from left to right. Repeat down the wall with the full-length Tando architectural sill pieces, finishing your row with your final cut piece. Now your wall is complete and you're done. For complete detailed installation instructions or information on how to install Tando architectural sill under a window, visit our website at tandobp.com.